Hello and Merry Christmas from Amanda with Crafting with Amanda. I thought today as a Christmas gift, because I'm releasing this on Christmas Day, I would do a quick flip through of the Close to My Heart new January-February idea book. So keep in mind that you can make this go as fast or as slow as you want because YouTube allows you to change the playback speed. Here on the inside cover, you basically get the note from Jeanette and some information about the VIP program. Here are the new Craft with Heart for the scrapbook on the left and the new cards for January to April. And now we get to our first paper pack, what everybody's all excited about. It's called Sweet as Honey. And you can see it has kind of these warm, yellow tones and the gray hues, and of course it focuses on a bee and honeycombs. And here's some stamp set. Keep in mind any of them that have the outline, like the white outline or grayed outline behind them, have thin cuts that come with them. This is the Scrapbook Workshop. I love this. Has a stamp set, has the honeycomb dies. You make those 3 layouts. And then we move right into the card workshop. And again, if you look, the honeycomb in the stamp set has a thin cut with it, and the bee has a thin cut, and the sentiment has a thin cut. Here is paper number 2, Sawyer. Look at all the great colors in this. There's peach, mulberry, grape, wisteria, mint, harbor, lemonade, and Sundance, along with white daisy. Here's all the great embellishments that come with it. Some wonderful stamp sets that I think can just make some marvelous things. I think this is just going to be fun. Again, we're going to go into the Scrapbook Workshop next. You can see it gets a whole bunch of die cuts and pre-printed papers, and you get to make those layouts from the kit. This is the card workshop that you can make these 4 style cards, but again, you get this exclusive stamp set to the card kit plus the thin cuts that come with it. The mix and papers are just wonderful this year, or for this catalog. They're kind of a neutral, they'll go with everything. And now we get to walk through the stamp sets. I love the variety that Close to My Heart has come out with. All of our wood grain papers have been so popular. Well, now you can create your own in whatever size you want. A butterfly, who doesn't love a butterfly? I have a friend that absolutely adores dragonflies, so this will really, I think, be a very versatile idea book in that it has so many variety of the stamps and images, and the papers can be used for so much. And we have a Get Well stamp set that's featured, along with kind of a sloth, just hanging out, telling you to take some time to chill. If you have anybody that's into classic cars, here's a great stamp set, or a stamp set and thin cut for you. We have the kids represented with the kitty cats, and the boys get the dinosaurs, and how fun are those? Now here for your plant lovers, or kind of a hint, on the right hand page is this Sprigs and Sentiments, and I will be doing a video about twisting that stamp set into something different. It'll come out January 2nd. I love these note card thin cuts. You can basically make a little note card so easy. Just whip it through your cutting machine and you have a gift easy to go. If you like pre-done scrapbook layouts, the true stories are for you. We're kind of coming to the end here, and the stamp of the month for January, the bunnies, the mouse, the bear, all just sweet. And going into February, it talks about home and tradition. And of course, our Operation Stamp set is not new, Operation Smile stamp set, but it's here as well. Hope you enjoyed this sneak peek at the January-February catalog. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that red subscribe button and you won't miss any content. I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you.